HMS Sultan has the worldwide responsibility of ensuring that all life jacket maintainers throughout the British services are trained correctly, and the UK Ministry of Defence chose MHH Engineering to design a kit of tools for this vital requirement. Petty Officer Keith Spiller addresses a course of mixed services personnel on the importance of torque in the servicing procedure.
Put your little finger in and pull it. The last torque loading we've got to do with this particular life jacket is the nitrogen cylinder. Now in the past we used to do it hand tight. Like I said, everybody's got their own version of hand tight, all right? Because we used to run the risk of the cylinder going off if we put it in too hard, we used to have girlies on the course that would just sort of like screw it in and pinch it down. What that leads to is a partial inflation. A partial inflation is more dangerous than no inflation whatsoever. All right? Because if a guy's unconscious and he's got a half-inflated life jacket and he rolls onto his front, the gas in the jacket is then pushed to the neck and it physically holds his head under the water. And what we need to use is this strap wrench. Now this is preset at 35 £1/4 inch, all right? And it's very, very simple to use. All we do is bring it over, and what we're trying to achieve at this point is that we're getting a square face between the torque wrench and the cylinder, all right? Once it's on, just support the strap, support the head, and all we do is we turn, and eventually it just breaks, all right? That's it.
Here we see the toolkit in operational use on the aircraft carrier HMS Illustrious. The kit includes a minor screwdriver for the correct insertion of Schrader valves, a TSN25 slipping wrench to tighten the retaining nut for the firing mechanism, and a modified TBN20 with a strap attachment to facilitate the correct tightening of the nitrogen inflation cylinder.
The life jacket maintenance, one of the most important things we've got to deal with is the operation of it. Therefore, if it doesn't operate correctly, it won't do the job it's supposed to do, i.e. save the life of the person wearing it. So one of our most important factors with maintenance is the actual setup of the operating head and the fitting of the inflation equipment. Everybody's got a different right arm, so everybody will apply a different pressure. So by standardising that, what we're doing is minimising damage to the equipment, therefore we're increasing the life of the equipment. And two, what we're doing is we're guaranteeing to the end user that the equipment will work as advertised, so that if he has to go in the water or he goes in by accident, what he's wearing will save his life. At the end of the day, by applying torque to the equipment, we're guaranteeing lives, we're saving lives. But in today's technology and economy, we're also saving money.